Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Belife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This battery-powered vacuum cleaner pops a whopping 2200 milliamp hour battery and up to 40 minutes of work time. This cordless vacuum can also be used on hardwood floors and carpet. It has a touchscreen design, powerful suction, powerful brushless motor, and a 6-stage high-efficiency filter. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what it can do. Okay, now that we got everything unboxed, so let's take a look at the quick start guide here. Very nice, very well written there, nice looking pictures. Here we have our user manual, same thing, very well written, very nice to see that. And here we have some of our attachments, more on this later. These are just some attachments that can go onto the cyclone unit. And here is our whopping 2200 milliamp hour battery, and this thing is detachable and also can be charged independently from the unit, which is very nice. And then here we have our lightweight retractable tube, which can retract in and then back out again, give you some extra length. Okay, now let's take a look at our cleaner unit. This is the unit that goes on the base. It's very flexible, and it's suitable for both floor and carpet, which is very nice. It has our quick detaching buttons there. Nice clean cleaning brush there, looks very good. Here's our pre-motor filter. This will be cleaned every 1 to 2 months. Another detachable unit that can attach to the cyclone unit. Here's our wall mount, where you can attach the device to the wall, which is very nice, and the screws that go with it, and a cleaning brush, and a 12-volt charger for the battery. Alright, and on to the main course. We have our 250 watt cyclone unit with 90,000 RPM brushless motor. This thing looks and feels fantastic. So at the back here we have our 3-stage motors that we'll turn on in a little bit. We have our on and off button in turquoise and our detachable battery there at the bottom, along with our one-click dusk emptying button in white. I'll show you that right there. One quick half pull and it pops open. Full pull and the entire cyclone detaches. Once again, half pull and then full pull. And to clean the unit, once you remove it, you just bring it over to some water, rinse it out, let it dry for 24 hours, place it right back into its notch there, and then reinstall right back into the unit. Very easy, very simple, very clean. Okay, now we're going to detach the HEPA filter and the pre-motor filter just to show you how to clean those as well before we get started. Those come out very easily. And you do the same thing. Just bring that on over to your sink and rinse them off. Allow them to dry outside for 24 hours. And then reinstall clockwise. Okay, now we're ready to install our battery. Right on the bottom there. Clicks in very nice. Detaches very easily as well. Now you can pull the turquoise trigger to turn the power on. And now you can touch the screen to get your 3 modes: Eco, Normal, and Hyper. Sounds very nice. Okay, let's attach these units here. cleaner brush. And let's give this thing a whirl. Okay, so just after about a minute of vacuuming my carpet there, you can see all that dust and debris inside the cyclone unit. So you can see that this thing has a very nice suction to it. Just one click the button there to pop open the top, empty it out, close it back up, and you're ready to go for another ride. Just wanted to add that they throw in the wall mount with these two attachable pieces here, and that can attach right to your wall. So that's a pretty cool little attachment there. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. This was the Belife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with brushless motor, LED touch display, and it also's got a light on the front. I really appreciate you guys for watching the videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye!